once you have your meeting open in Teams, we're going to show you a couple of the things that you can do to change your audio and video settings. So you can find the little toolbar, and on the far left of the toolbar you see the camera symbol. If you click on the camera symbol, you can turn your camera off, and then if you click on it again, you can turn it back on. Okay. Next to the camera symbol is the microphone. The microphone is where you can turn your audio on and off to mute yourself if you need to. So you can just click on. I click on it again, and now you can hear me. So if you're having other issues with your audio or video that you want to troubleshoot, you can come over to this button with 3 dots, and it says More Actions. When you click on it, you can go to the very top, Show Device Settings, and up will pop all of the audio and video devices that you have. So you can see whether you're using that. If it's not playing through your speakers properly, you can look here and toggle and make sure that it's connected to the right speaker and the right microphone. If you have a couple different cameras, maybe your integrated webcam versus an external webcam, you can also change that setting here. So, and one more quick thing, it's under More Actions as well. There's an option to blur your background. So right now my background is blurred, and I can turn that off and you can see my background clearly. But if I have a little mess and I don't want my student to see, I can blur my background and it just makes it a little vague and fuzzy. So those are the options.